Today we're gonna make a duplication for Ford F250 2018. Start with turning on the machine. Nice. This is the customer key. You take it, you're looking for a key fob. So I start with duplicate, decode the bearing, and then cut for the key. Let me will set it up and I will continue the video. As you can see, I set up the key so I'll be able to decode it. This is the decoding process. The probe find the beats. Now we got it. We'll go back to the application, and of course after we'll set up the new key, we'll cut it by the bearing that we got from the decoding. Set up the new key. It's a 3-button remote. So again, the probe checking where is the limit of the key, check that everything is set up in the right way. After the machine finished to check it out, let's start with the cutting. Next step, I will show you how I'm doing the programming after it will finish the cutting. First we need to cut it on both sides. So we start with the programming, of course. We go through the steps it required. Let's check out what the number of keys is for. Let's go with add a key. So a new key to be programmed and switch the ignition on. And then press yes to continue. Okay. This is the old key. Let's insert the new one. Okay, we go with yes. Okay. Communicating. Nice. He's doing the programming part. So the ignition off, and then switch the ignition to the on position. Okay. Great. This is the sound that we are looking for. Okay, now let's see if the key is working. Great, so the vehicle is starting, everything's good. Now the remote still not, oh, the remote is working. Okay, great, we got it. That's all.